Panki Thermal Power Station. Panki Thermal Power Station is located at Panki in Kanpur district in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It was commissioned in 1967 by the then Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. It has an installed capacity of 220 megawatts. The power plant is owned and operated by Uttar Pradesh Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam. Operations. The plant was set in 2 stages, both having 2 units. The first stage is not in operation anymore. The machinery for the second stage are from Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. The coal to all these units is fed from coal mines of Bharat Coking Coal Limited, Eastern Coalfields Limited by means of railways. The last unit was commissioned in 1977. In 2018, the power plant was closed with immediate effect owing to the last working unit of the power plant malfunctioning. There were plans for raising a new unit in the near future, the foundation stone of which was laid down by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2019. Future expansion. The state government decided in July 2014 to add another unit of 660 MW to the power plant. A contract was issued by Utpadan to Bell on EPC basis for construction of one 660 MW unit at Panki on 31 March 2018, with scheduled project completion in January 2022.